Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mubارك الكواري, and today I'll present to you about plastic water tank manufacturing. Preparing for rotational molding. The initial process involves preparing and assembling the large metal mold, including attaching the mold lid securely. Once the mold is assembled, it is moved to a heat lathe, where the huge wheels spin the mold to ensure even heating and disturbing of materials. To make it clear, this is a mold lid, so it closed the model lid, and also it's assembled, and it's assembled, and the wheel spin the mold. There's a wheel. They're also in here, and behind there. The core of the tank is made from the plastic raw materials, primarily polyethylene powder, which is carefully formulated and mixed with a paint powder to achieve the desired color. The formulated raw materials are then divided into bags for precise measurement and handling. This is a paint powder on the left. They put it on polyethylene, the plastic powder, and the mixer, rotating. This is the result. This is a plastic polyethylene powder with the paint powder. Material loading and initial heating phase. Workers meticulously put the prepared raw material into the mold through the inlet. This is what I'm talking about, is on the left. After loading, the mold inlet is securely closed. This is a mold inlet to make sure not coming out the plastic, the polyethylene powder, and ruin the product at the opening. The mold is then subject to heating using a bulk gas torch. This initial heating phase is crucial for melting the raw material inside the rotating mold, a procedure that takes approximately 2 hours. This is a bulk gas torch with the assist of workers. There's only one side of bulk torch gas, and the other side is where the workers using a bulk torch while raise the mold, so that it can the polyethylene powder not only stays in here, will also go down while rotating. Additional material input. After initial melting phase, additional raw material are carefully added to the mold. This ensures heat tank achieve the required thickness and strength. This is a mid process, and they add more a polyethylene powder. After that, there is cooling. Once all the material is introduced and melted, here turn off and the tank is left to cool for another 2 hours while still rotating. So they turn off the bulky gas torch and rotating, and leave it to cool while rotating for 2 hours. This controlled cooling is initial for the plastic to solidify eventually and prevent wrapping. After cooling, the inlet mold is carefully separated from the main tank. Mold separation and tank extraction. The cooled tank, still within its mold, is moved to a different area for the mold separate process. The lid of the mold is carefully removed, revealing the fully formed plastic water tank inside. The final product. Finally, the giant water tank is removed from the mold, showcase the completed product. The finishing plastic water tank is impressively large and capable of holding a substantial amount of liquid with a capacity of 50,000 liters of water. The tanks are designed to be robust and durable, serving the versus storage needs. This is a final product. This is a top, bottom. Can be one picture because it's very big. Thanks for watching.